We're back. We are making it today. We're doing something a little bit different. The sun is coming out, the days are getting longer, and all I love to enjoy when it gets a little bit warmer is a good old salad. But this ain't no normal generic salad, oh no. We are going to be showing you how to make an Italian classic tomato and basil panzanella. That is right, absolutely gorgeous. It's great as a side dish, it's great as a light lunch, it's great for barbecues, it's great for a picnic. It is just an all-rounder good egg, do you know what I mean? So here we are, this is how you make a classic panzanella all'Italian. First thing you've got to do is make your croutons. So what you need to do, I like to use slices of sourdough bread, or you could even use ciabatta, whatever you like. But the thing we're going to do here, we're not using any form of utensil or equipment. We're going to be using our hands to tear this bread into gorgeous croutons. Just like so. However big or small you want your crouton, that's entirely up to you. What does your heart say when it says crouton? So much better to make your own croutons than buying those you can really pre-buy in a supermarket. They're hard, they're dry, they ain't that tasty, do you know what I mean? You want to season a little bit of salt on top, and then you want to get some good extra virgin olive oil, and then you just want to drizzle it on top like so. And then we're using our hands again, then massage our croutons. Yes, that is what I just said. We are showing these croutons a little bit of love and making sure they're well coated in the salt and the extra virgin olive oil. At this point you can also bougie up your croutons in any way you like. I'm a little bit partial to a little bit of lemon juice, or why not add some dry herbs? Bougie those croutons up, I say. And now we're going to put them in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for a good 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to make the rest of our salad, and it's so quick and easy you will not believe. So the first thing we've got to do is we've got to peel and thinly slice a red onion. You want to thinly slice them so you get half moons, just like that. Now pop your onion in the bowl that you're going to serve your salad in, right? So popping it in there, and now what you're going to do is very important. So onion's got quite a bitter taste to it, right? It's got a bitter juice. So to bring out that beautiful sweetness, what we're going to do now is we're going to sprinkle on some sea salt, and then we're going to leave that alone for about 10 minutes. While the onions are set to one side, doing its thing with the salt, we're going to cut up some tomatoes. So for panzanella, I'm always quite partial. Oh my God, I can smell them already. I'm always quite partial for tomatoes on the vine, because I just think they have the best smell and taste, and they're easy to get from like most supermarkets. So always try and get tomatoes on the vine. And then what we're going to do, we're not going to slice them, we're going to cut them into wedges. So what I do is then I just cut them in half down the middle, then cut them in half again, and then cut them in half again. So then you've got tomato wedges. So tomatoes are done, we're going to put them to one side. We're not ready to put them in the bowl yet. Next, what we're going to do, we're going to make our dressing, which is really simple. All you need is some red wine vinegar and some extra virgin olive oil. So the dressing is so easy. It is 1 part red wine vinegar, so we're doing 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar to 4 parts of extra virgin olive oil. Now, seasoning, obviously important, a pinch of salt, and a scunch of black pepper. Give it a nice little mix. Now give it a taste. Before you add your dressing to your salad, it's always important to check what it tastes like with the ingredients that you're using. So it's mainly tomato, so give it a quick dip. Perfection. 10 minutes is up, and look at these gorgeous croutons, guys. They're absolutely delicious, huh? So now we're going to add our tomatoes to our onions. We are then going to pour this gorgeous red wine dressing all over it. We're going to finish off with some fresh basil. Again, I'm not using a knife here. I like tearing basil with my hands. It's a lot more gentle to it. It helps keep that gorgeous aroma, the beautiful oils that give that gorgeous flavour to our basil. So with my hands, I'm just tearing into, again, very rustic, very, very rustic. You finish off by adding in your croutons. You mix it all together. Here's a little final panzanella tip. Don't add your croutons too soon, otherwise they go soggy, and no one likes a soggy crouton, do they? Always add them in about 5 minutes before you're going to sit down and enjoy this absolutely gorgeous, sexy salad. There you go, that's my recipe for the week. An absolutely gorgeous classic tomato and basil panzanella using our homemade croutons. They are so easy to make. Guys, go and treat yourself. It is sexy, it's healthy, it's delicious. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, save and share. spread the cooking love around. And on that note, ciao ciao for now, and ta-ra!